Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's continue working on the My Profile component, and we looking at the user information tab, right? So we have developed a template as well as some of the methods and services. And what we need to do now is to add the endpoint for our update user information. So if you take a look at our user service, we have our endpoint as user updated user information. So let's come to our Eclipse and open the user resource.java. Here we're going to add a new request mapping, and this would be /update user info method equals to request method.post public response entity profile info. And we have the request body as screen object method throws exception. This one should be a hash map. Okay. And first, we're gonna define email. This would be a string. Cast mapper.get email. Okay. So we're gonna do a bunch of stuff like this. Next one is username and first name and last name. And after that we have new password. And a current password. We also need to get ID. And we're gonna get current user as user service.find by ID. We're gonna use long.value of this integer. If current user equals to now, we're gonna throw a new exception, say user not found. And if user service.find by email not equal to now, if user service.find by email .get ID not equal to current user.get ID, we're gonna say email not found. And this is a bad request. And we're gonna have username here. Find by username. And we're gonna say username nothing. And it's a bad request. After we have those exceptions checked, we have the security configuration. And if the new password not equal to now and new password that is empty, reverse is true, and new password that equals to empty string. We're gonna have a break-crypt password encoder. Password encoder security utility dot password encoder. And after that, we're gonna have string db password equals to current user dot get password. System dot out dot print. Well, this is for debugging if you want to print something, but let's just skip that. If current password that equals db password, we're gonna have password encoder dot encode new password. Else we're gonna return new response entity, saying that it's incorrect current password. Okay, and then we have current user set first name as first name, and we're gonna do a couple of them. Last name, username, email, and it looks like we are missing our first name. Are we? We have first name. Okay. Last name. User service test save. Remember to save the user. return new response entity, and this one would be update success, and this is an HTTP status OK. Okay, let's restart the application and let's come to a different perspective. Run as Spring Boot. Now Spring Boot has started. Let's come back to our storefront. And actually, there's one thing we need to fix before that. So remember, there's this data fetch thing. So if we have update successful about user information, actually no, we should first check session subscribe this log in equals to true, and this log in equals to false. This is just an example. So what we're doing here basically is that we're doing the login service check session. So this is same as we have done before. However, for the error part, you can see the last statement, we have navigated to my account. So what this does is we haven't added router service yet in the router component. Let's just do that quickly. Oops, this should be add Angular router, and we have constructor router. So what's interesting is that without login, we're showing my account page, right? And log in. Okay, so we see this my profile page. But the thing is, if we don't do anything and this session becomes inactive, and we still click on this my profile because it's still showing, right? In this case, it should bring us to the login page. Okay, like this, and that's what it's doing here. So if the active is inactive session, it will just go to my account to go to the login page. That's what it is doing. Okay. All right. We're gonna continue developing this component in the next lesson. There is one more service that I need to add to make this tab work. Okay. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.